So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I am still dealing with my legs, still dealing with my ankle, foot pain, that type of thing. Um, so it's still hurting, but I want to welcome you all back to my channel. I want to say that I'm glad that you're here, that you're able to join me. And right now I'm sitting here and I'm rubbing my foot over a frozen water bottle. That seems to work the best for me as far as even helping start to subside the pain. And then I'll take this and I'll rub this bottle also over my legs. But I'm getting ready to wrap my leg with some compression gauze here. And I'm getting ready to put that on, hoping that that will help. Tomorrow I have an appointment with an orthopedic surgeon. So for them to look and to kind of see what's going on. I have to be more accepting that as I get older, I'm not able to do a lot of things that I used to do or that I want to continue doing. Um, I just really enjoy walking. I enjoy walking so much. And I tell you, I miss it so much. We don't realize how we miss something until we can't do it. You all better realize that. You better realize that about your health. You better realize that about just different things that you have in your life. When it's gone, you're going to miss it. So right now I'm just concentrating on getting this ankle healed up, this leg healed up and feeling better. When I got up this morning, it wasn't swollen, but like I said, getting out of bed and just having to even use the crutches and get around, it's already swollen up again. And it's been like this now for over a week. Tomorrow, like I said, I'm trying to wait. I started going to my doctor this morning, telling her she needs to go ahead and do some x-rays on my ankle. When I went into the emergency room, they didn't address that at all. They just basically concentrated on the knee. So I guess, believe if you go into an emergency room or somewhere, they only can concentrate on one thing. So I guess that's how it works. I don't know. To me, the two were connected, the knee, the leg, and everything. So I don't know how it works anymore. But I do know that I am in excruciating pain, and I have been in excruciating pain now for a week. I don't have so much of the swelling, but I still have the pain. It makes me feel like something tore in my ankle or foot, or it's very inflamed. But I wouldn't think I have, well, I have some information in there now because it's swollen again. And it's just, like I said, it's just the ankle area, the ankle and the foot. And that's the right foot. And it's also on the right side of the foot. That whole side is just sore and in pain. I don't know if it's tendonitis or what, but it started in the knee and it just worked its way down to my ankle. At least that's what I think. And I think I did it getting in and out of the car as I was dough dashing. We have a little BMW that we use for dough dashing. So getting in the car, I kind of just step in instead of sitting like a lady and twisting, okay? I just kind of get in and out. Keep it moving. Not good at my age. Not good at all. But anyhow, this is one of my suits, y'all. Let's see if I can stand up to show you this one. I have shown it to you before. But I like this little suit. I decided to get up this morning and to get dressed. At first, I wasn't going to. But this little suit is a nice little suit. Let me show you. And this is from Shein too. This is a suit from Shein also. And like I say, I'm having some great results. I do like the top. It has a bra that goes with it also. And I still have my fruit pop dealing with. It's like I say, gradually going away, gradually leaving. I don't know if it'll ever go away. But this is one of the suits that I got from Shein. I say I like the way it fits. Yeah, I wanted to share that with you. Oh, 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 this knee. You know, I want you to really know that I don't like hanging out here on the sides here. Let's see. I'm able to pull it up like that. Okay. Anyhow, let me get back to rolling my foot on my ice water bottle. So that's what I'm sitting here. I got on thick socks, but I am using this ice water bottle to, use on the bottom of my leg. Now I'm going to take this bottle and I'm going to roll it up and down my calf because that feels good also. And it really seems to help. And actually, no doctors told me to do this because I've been just watching a lot of stuff that tells you different ways that they treat arthritis in the leg. So I'm hoping that when I go see the orthopedic surgeon that he can give me, help me with some relief. Because that's what I need at this point is some relief. When you're paying, your blood pressure runs high. At least mine does. Okay, back to the bottom of the foot. So I have like heel pain. It's through the heel, up the back of my calf part way, all along the bottom of my foot into my toes. Then on the side of the right side of the foot, and then where the ankle is, it's puffy. And then on the outside toward the back, it's where the puffiness is, and it goes up into my leg and stops kind of up in there, just right in the ankle part. So I did get checked for a blood clot, so I hope that was done correctly. Blood clots, they concern me because I have had 2 blood clots, and I had one while I was actually on warfarin. So I hope that was done correctly. Ultrasound, have you ever had an ultrasound to detect a blood clot? I tell you, that really, really hurts. And they did it on my right leg, and I tell you, pressing down to make that vein collapse. Oh, I tell you, I shedded some tears. Yes, I did. But I'm thinking they're going to have to, I don't know. I'll find out tomorrow what's going to happen when I go to the hospital. When I go to my orthopedic appointment, I'll say. But anyhow, that's what's been happening to me for the past, wow, it's going on a week and a half. Unbelievable. And I don't believe that it's just arthritis. I believe that something else is going on in my foot. And hopefully it's something that is correctable. And I hope I don't have a lot of downtime because when I say downtime, that means I kept walking. Got my walking pad over here. I just came in and started moving stuff around in my office area because I just been in the bedroom area. Thought I would at least get back in the office area so that I can start making some type of videos, or I can just come in here and sit down and do my Christmas vlog. But anyhow, I think I've been on here long enough and been sitting here, like I said, rubbing this bottle back and forth on the bottom of my foot. And I'm going to get up and go ahead and compress this and elevate it now. That's what they usually advise. What is it? Rest, ice, compress, and elevate. So I have been doing it now for a week and a half. And I'm getting ready to continue doing that. Anyhow, I hope that you are staying focused on yourself as far as your health journey, that you are making some good decisions, the best decisions that work for you. Like I said, I'm having some great results. I figured that today, what I could do is, I got my weights and stuff right here. I figure because I'm feeling much better that I can at least come in here and sit and do chair exercises with my arms. So that's what I'm going to spend the day doing, this type of things that can help my upper body, since I can't work out so much with my lower body. But there are different things that I can do because my knee is bendable now, where maybe I can march in place sitting in the chair, some things like that, just to keep my body parts oiled and working. There's always something that you can find to do. So I'm going to occupy myself with working on my upper body a lot this week. Last week, like I said, I just didn't feel like doing anything. And today is going to be a fasting day. It's something I'm going to have to work on, but I'm going to try to do an alternate day fast today. And then I'll break my fast tomorrow morning. I started fasting last night, about 7. So I'll do alternate day fasting today, it's Tuesday, and I'll break my fast Wednesday morning, since I've been fasting since last night. But anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Hope that you're having a great day. I want to ask for prayers for healing. In the name of Jesus, I ask you to pray for me that my leg will start feeling better. And let's keep each other's prayers. Remember, like I said, if you're fasting, you can add in prayer with your fasting. You can make this where it works for you spiritually, mentally, and physically. Yes, that works for me. I just got through reading my Bible. And come in here and start working out. Anyhow, I'll see you later. Have a great day.